Okay, it's Mark Bowe here. February 14th, 2016. We're up north of Halliburton, and you wouldn't believe it. It's minus, the Weather Network says it's minus 43 today. So we're up here, did a lot of sledding yesterday. It's darn cold, almost too cold to be out on the snowmobile, but I thought I'd do a cold start video on this MX. I haven't touched it. You can see it's all frosty. I just came outside. So, I don't know. Geez, I forgot the key. Gotta go back in and get the key. Hang on. Okay, I got the key. I got all the keys. So let's see. There it is there. Get the key in. So we were driving last night about 6 o'clock. It was just so cold. Put that on. But the key's even stiff to turn. A little bit frozen. So, a couple primes. I'm just going to put this back here so you guys can see. I'll set it on my sled. I think this is going to take a few pulls. It's so stiff. Bolster. That's not bad for an old beast. 91 goes like crazy. Good old snowmobile. All right, so she's running now, all warmed up. The sun's just starting to come up. I'm hoping that will help warm up the sleds and get them up on the trailer. So we got the Indy light going there, and the MX. So it performed well this weekend. I think I put about I don't know, 200 or 300 kilometers on it. And it worked great. Got covered in dirt on the way up here. Wash all that off when we get back if it warms up. Anyways, there's a little update on the MX. Great little sled. Goes like crazy. I'm riding with an 800 Skidoo Legend there with my buddy, and I have no problems keeping up to him. This thing rides so flat and steady. Going through the bumps, it just sticks to the ground. It's a great trail sled. Just sticks to the ground. I really like it. Anyways, there you go. Little update, February 14th, 2016, up in Halliburton, Ontario.